Companies that use hazardous chemicals in their process piping must meet design codes. Owners must also maintain accurate piping and instrumentation diagrams of the components in their system. Failure to accurately document process safety information, which includes P&IDs as information pertaining to the equipment of the process, ranks as number 5 of the top 10 PSM violations reported by OSHA. We can help you eliminate the assumptions about your system and achieve P&ID accuracy. GGS identifies pipe size and schedule on insulated and uninsulated piping with non-destructive testing. The NDT technology we use, Radiometric Profiling, accurately scans and measures piping even when it is concealed by jacketing and insulation. Pipe size and schedule is included in our evaluation for each location we test. Additionally, our technicians visually survey the system at each testing location. Incorrect labeling or detail that does not align with standard system process and function, either in the field or on the documentation, is also noted and provided in our report. With this conclusive data, you will be able to confirm or correct important details in your P&IDs and verify if what you have installed meets the IIAR2 standard. So when you need to test, choose GGS.